Hi, I'm Nikki from Fine & Country, and you join me here today in Whitnash. Behind me, we have this stunning 5-bedroom dormer bungalow. It offers versatile living accommodation to suit many different lifestyles. Let's go take a look. You join me at the end of the tour in this amazing kitchen dining living area, which opens fully onto the beautiful landscape garden. If you would like any more information or to arrange a viewing, please contact me with the details that will follow.